Roger, tranquility. We copy you on the ground.
New possibilities are opening up for scientific cooperation between countries.
1-0. Liftoff. Americans return to space as Discovery clears the tower.
Discovery, go and throttle up.
Discovery Roger, go for deploy.
And everybody in the shuttle program, the crew is go for launch.
Roger, nice to be in orbit.
We have followed in their footsteps to get us where we are today.
Good morning and welcome back to the International Space Station Flight Control Room. I'm NASA's Shaniqua Vereen, and you are watching live mission coverage for the NASA SpaceX Crew-4 mission. Today we are returning 4 astronauts home after a 6-month science mission aboard the International Space Station.
Yeah, we already heard, sounded like there is no fire there in the Russian segment. We've got zeros on our CSA CPs here in node 2. So if you agree, I think we're stepping back into the Dragon procedures. Do you?
We don't need Station Houston on Space Ground 2 for Josh.
Go ahead on 2.
Yep, thank you again for that report. We're waiting on our colleagues in the Russian segment to give us the CSA CP readings there. Other than that, we will let you know when we are continuing.
Okay, copy that. We will stand by on resuming the Dragon now.
Good read.
Again, you're watching live mission coverage of NASA SpaceX Crew-4 mission, returning 4 astronauts home from a 6-month stay aboard the International Space Station. Mission control teams here and at SpaceX Mission Control in Hawthorne, California, have delayed today's undocking time, moving it to the right about 30 minutes. We're looking at 11:05 a.m. Central Time for an undocking, the middle of a 1-hour undocking window to allow crew on the International Space Station to check the hatch alignment on the ISS side of the docking interface. Crews are proceeding now with vestibule depressurization and moving along towards that 11:05 a.m. Central Time undocking. Today's undocking is autonomous, but will be monitored by ground controllers here in the International Space Station Flight Control Room and in Hawthorne, California. Teams are being led here by Flight Director Adi Boulos.
Station Houston on the big loop, letting you know that we did get confirmation that this was a false fire, and we are continuing on the undock procedures.
Copy, thanks. Good news.
Station copies, and we are in step 3.1 of U.S. hatch seal inspection.
Currently getting a live view inside of SpaceX Dragon Freedom attached to the space-facing port of the Harmony module. Dragon is returning to Earth later today, expected